Hello, Jay Leshark here for 5 Star Marine. Today, we are in the awesome Phuket Town. Why are we in Phuket Town? Because it's the middle of the Vegetarian Festival and we've come here to check out some amazing vegetarian food and hopefully not get run over because the market's set up and there's lots of cars and lots of traffic everywhere. So, hopefully we won't die, but we will get our bellies full. Is that cool? And you're coming with us. Right, let's go eat some food. Very hot in this bar. Look how busy it is down here. I'd like to walk in the street, but we can't walk in the street because there's all traffic there. So I got my little ticket. Oh, let's go through. It's quite hard to film here because it's quite tight. Anyway, I got my little ticket and we get some of these, whatever they are. I'm not sure what it is. It's taro pancakes, is that right? I'm getting a nod, yeah?
They're called beer.
Beer. Kanon beer. Oh, okay. This man looks happy. Is it Oroy Mai? Yeah, he says it's nice. This is popular. A big queue for this one. So apparently there's 3 different flavours. There's taro, there's black bean and soybean. She's smiling at me. I've been told I've got to go for black bean because somebody likes black bean the most. And they're 10 baht each. Cheap. Okay, so which flavour did we get?
Soybean.
We've got soya bean. We wanted black bean. They'd run out of black bean. So this is a soya bean something or other. Oh, that's alright that. That's nice, isn't it? Yeah. Good job. Right, that's the first one done. Oh, you might need a bit of a drink with it. Yeah, it's quite flowery, isn't it? After a while. Right, luckily, I think I've seen some orange juice. Let's go get orange juice. Nice though. You want some? I got one for you. Yeah, camera lady Julie's eating one now. Right, let's go. Orange juice? Oh, that way. Let's go. So, orange juice lady. Can I get one orange juice, please? Because that's vegetarian, isn't it? She seems happy. Oh, it's a slushie. It's an orange juice slushie. That's awesome. Thank you very much. 25 of your finest baht for my orange juice slushie. Cap on cap, thank you. Awesome. Right. That's nice. Want some? No? Okay. Right, now what's next? So, this one is mushrooms. We're about to get one, and I imagine with a very spicy. Oh, is this like a try one?
Yes.
Oh, can I try? Is that all right? Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Right, so spicy?
Yes. Mas. Very nice. Sauce?
Yeah. I quite like that. That's nice. Doesn't taste like mushroom. Oh, it's good. There you go. Thank you. That's good. So, this one apparently is quite traditional. Now, imagine that's banana leaf. Is that right?
No.
No. Oh, what is it?
There's a rice. Pure rice.
Okay, so but what's the outside bit?
Coconut. Taro.
Okay. So let's try a spicy.
That one is banana.
I don't want banana. Right, let's try. Can we get a spicy coconut one? Just one, please. Thank you. And it's 12 baht, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Woo! It's hot, isn't it? Thank you. Thank you very much. Right, let's go find some shade and try it. we found some shade because it's hot out there, so we're not going out there. Right, so I just open this up. But what leaf is this? You're not answering my question, are you? Coconut rice, yeah? You think? Oh, look at that. What's that look like? Oh. That's all right, that. I quite like that. You're not looking... No? Yes? No. My Julie doesn't like it. I like that. That's good. Right. You do need a drink. It's good we got this orange juice. Thank you. Need that. We should apologise for all the plastic that we're using, but we will recycle it all if we can. Not that you can recycle plastic, I don't. Right, let's go. I found Thai donuts. Check them out. Sticky rice, powdered, sugar-coated donuts. They look good. Do you want one?
No.
Just for me then. Hello. Can I try one donut, please? It's good Thai, that, wasn't it? They look yummy. Thank you very much. Oh, there you go. Thank you. Right. Thai donut. Right, good. That's a sticky rice donut. I like that. Thank you. So we've had to change cameras because this camera got too hot. This is a plum drink, I think, isn't it? That's something to do with plum. Anyway, it's very... Do you know what I really like about it? It's got a bamboo handle. That's very cool. But it's like Coke and sugar and all sorts of other stuff. But yep, that's going to keep you up for a few hours. Woo-hoo. So normally in Christmas in the UK you'd have roasted chestnuts. At the Vegetarian Festival you get roasted chestnuts in coffee. And we're going to try them. Can we get one pack, please?
Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. My friend.
Ooh, 100 baht. Thank you, sir. Nice bag. Thank you very much. Captain Cap.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Yeah, that's so cool. Yeah. So, I've got my roasted chestnuts in coffee. They're, it's a busy old street here. They're not the easiest of things to open in the world. Do you know what they taste like? Roasted chestnuts. Nice though. I like them as it all spills out my hand. Not the nicest it looks, is it? Right, I need a sausage. That's what I really need, is a big fat sausage. So, not only can you get savoury stuff, you also get sweet stuff like this, which we're not going to have right now because I'm still looking for my big sausage. But look at it, very pretty. I like them, they're lovely. Look at that. That's a lot of syrup on that one. Woo! Right, sausage. So this is really cool. Now this is how they make ice lollies or ice poles or whatever you call them in Thailand. So in here is ice. And then when they put them in, they just shake it all around like that. And slowly but surely, it becomes an ice pole. And for 5 baht, there we go, we get one. I don't mind, any flavour will do. Oh, look at that, that looks like Coke flavour. Thank you very much. Mmm, mmm, that's yummy. Thank you very much.
Thank you, thank you.
I'm like really busy here, and be careful behind you. Just look behind you. There's dragons. So I'm still eating my ice cream, right? This here is what they call moo todd. Yeah, look, she's telling me what it is. What is it? But it's not real pork apparently. It's fake pork. But real pork or fake pork?
Yes.
Okay, real. No, I'm very confused. Anyway, let's have one. Let's try one. So here we go. Fake pork, apparently. Looks quite nice. It's like pork jerky. I wonder what that is then. Well, careful, you can get run over by a Volvo. Very safe car, isn't it? Hello. Huh, that's quite nice. Are you sure that's not real? Yeah. Right. Knox joined us because I'm buying food for the office apparently, which is very nice. Anyway, we've ordered some spring rolls and this is a vegetarian sausage, yeah? Yeah, I like a sausage. I'm excited about my sausage. You like a big sausage?
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone does.
Of course.
Yeah. Why are you laughing? Can I just say, I haven't seen anything really super healthy yet. Everything seems to be very much fried. Oh. Okay, so we found some shade just to try this. So this, I believe, is just a, what's that? A corn fritter, yeah, basically. Yeah? Good. That's nice, that's spicy. I like that. No, it's good, right. I'll hand that one over to you. Thank you. I'm going to chop that bit in. Okay, sorry, we had to cut that. Took a little bit of time to eat. Right, next one, vegetarian spring roll. Looks good. Well, you know what? It's a bit bland. There's not much flavour in that one. Okay, oh, that's what the sauce was for, was it? Oh, I'm sorry, I should have dipped it in the sauce, but right. Now, vegetarian sausage. I think all the hype I made about getting a sausage, it was alright. Yeah, it's okay. I really need a drink now. Right, I'm gonna find a drink. So, needed a drink. Sugar cane apparently, because that's what I need, a little bit more sugar in my life. 20 baht. Happy days. Hello. Oh, I'm dropping money everywhere. Isn't that bad? It's a lot of plastic. Thank you very much. I got a straw here. Thank you. Right, here we go. Sugar cane. Thank you very much. That's yummy. So, that's our little vegetarian tour over. I have to be honest with you, most of the food is fried or deep fried. So I'm feeling really sticky and oily right now, which is a bit of a shame because I thought it was going to be really fresh kind of produce, some really cool things. But don't get me wrong, there's some really, really nice food. And it's definitely worth checking out if you're here during October. One, the Vegetarian Festival is awesome, absolutely awesome. It's a bit mental with people with stuff with their faces, but the actual food itself in the markets are brilliant. And you definitely got to go and try them. Just, yeah, you are going to put on a few kilos for sure, definitely. Anyway, there you go. And I wouldn't recommend the sugar cane, if I was really honest. Woo, fireworks going off. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Cheers.